This is my go-to lip tutorial. This is my take on what you guys used to call the popsicle lips. A little bit different, and also I'm sure you guys are gonna like rename this something else because that's what you all love to do in the beauty community. Repurpose old trends and rename them and act like you came up with them. And I do not know who came up with this. You know who did. Tag them in the comments. I start off with my favorite lip liner. It's this little, it's supposed to be like this long. I went through like 7 of these, but I've used this same shade, same lip liner period for like the last 6 years. It's from Gerard Cosmetics and it's called Cher. Not that you can see it on here because it's already been whittled down. This is the most perfect color for my lip shade. It's literally my lip shade but better. It's the best thing to overline my lips a little bit with this because it's literally the same shade. Just overline a little bit because like this side is like more plump and this side is like thinner, so I overline a little bit over here, and then this side's also longer, so I try to make them match the best that I can. These lip liners are creamy, but they're not too creamy, and they don't bleed. That's what I love about them, but also they stay forever. I feel like the entire lip look stays longer if I do my whole entire lip like this. So next I go in with the Danessa Myricks Color FX Matte, and this one is in the shade Primary Red. I just take a little bit on a lip brush and I just center it like right in here. And then I'll bring it in the center here just a little bit more out, because if you were eating a popsicle, this is where the popsicle would lay and it would come out just a little bit more. And then you can like top it off with a gloss or whatever, but I like to use this Rare Beauty. It's like one of the tinted lip oils in Hope. I don't use a lot, like a little goes a long way, so I like scrape a lot of it off and I just do like a little swoop there and a little swoop here. And do you see like how perfectly that really does look like it's like a popsicle? And the popsicle trend was popular. It was like a way lighter shade here. The lips were not accentuated at all. It would just be like really light and then just that. But I like it like this. This is my finished lip tutorial.